Wednesday, November 29. Focus. Daniel was brought in before the king. If we are aware of even a little bit of lies, cheating, and destruction in our country, we know these are bad times for honest people. The first Christians also lived in bad times, so they yearned for Jesus to quickly appear in his glory and save the just. The hope had begun to fade by the time today's gospel was written. Luke confronts persecution head on and puts his contemporaries' experiences in perspective. We do not plan to be persecuted, but if we are placed in the dock of our faith, let us never think Jesus has let us down. On the contrary, this is an opportunity to share the gospel, speaking the truth. The first reading, dramatic and focused as it is, describes an occasion when Daniel stood before the topmost authorities in the land and spoke truth and power. He risked his life as his message was surely not light, but he knew his duty. He did not develop courage and wisdom overnight. He was a man of prayer, interceding for his people at least thrice a day. It is notable that his prayer language gave him the clues to the mysterious message on the king's wall. Praying can be very useful. Fruit. Though we do not need to imagine what if, we are called to witness before a hostile crowd. We need to draw every day courage and wisdom from the Lord.